Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 29th of January 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, GE Vernova is planning to invest nearly $600 million in its U.S. factories and facilities over the next 2 years to help meet the surging electricity demands around the world. These investments will focus on gas power, grid, nuclear, and onshore wind manufacturing sites in 9 states. The new investments are the first part of a larger $9 billion cumulative global capex and R&D investment plan through 2028. Brazilian infrastructure group CCR announced that it has concluded an agreement with the electricity company Neoenergia, a subsidiary of the Spanish company Iberdrola, under which it purchased a minority stake in 3 wind farms. The agreement provides that CCR will be a partner in 3 plants of the Oites wind farm complex in northeastern Brazil through the sale by Neoenergia of a percentage of the shares in those assets. The completion of this operation will guarantee the supply of around 60% of the CCR Group's annual energy consumption. German wind turbine manufacturer Enercon has developed a new variant of the E138 wind turbine with a 4.26 megawatt power rating. This new product will serve as a replacement to the popular E82 turbine model, which is now discontinued. According to the company, the new operating modes of the E138 place less strain on the turbine than conventional modes. This reduces operating loads but keeps yield losses at an acceptable level. The new high-wind variant of the E138 will be installed for the first time as part of a pilot project in the UK in early 2026. Dutch Rotorblade design and technology supplier We4C has announced today that a prototype of their Rotorblade design for a 3-megawatt wind turbine developed by Suzlon Group has completed end-to-end blade tests in India. Having passed these validation tests, the new Rotorblade is now ready for serial production. 8 months of design and engineering work preceded the final validation testing and included blade structure design and the infusion process for the materials. A new report regarding investments in Texas found that existing and expected utility-scale solar, wind, and battery storage projects will contribute over $20 billion in total tax revenue and pay Texas landowners $29.5 billion over the planned lifetimes of the projects. Landowners, local elected officials, and community leaders find renewable energy projects favorable for the stability that comes with consistent long-term revenue streams. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.